Hello again, everyone. It's Vince from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for December 4th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see a bit of a rebound here after a 4-day losing streak for equities. The Dow finishing higher by 146 points. The S&P 500 was higher by 19 points, while the NASDAQ 100 gaining 46 points, and the Russell 2000 was up 11 points today. The bond market did pull back, and the yield on the 10-year note now sits at 1.773%. Crude oil got a nice boost today, up $2.26 or a little over 4% after a much bigger than expected drop in U.S. crude inventories. Gold pulling back $4.50 here, while the U.S. dollar continued to move lower, although did close well off its lows of the day. After market close, we did get earnings from Slack Technologies, WORK. This one has been dropping ever since going public last June. Actually has been cut in half. Recently has been in a bit of a trading range. Today they did release quarterly earnings and beat estimates. Their forward guidance wasn't all that strong from what I read, but so far in the after hours trading, they are up 68 cents or a little over 3%. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.